I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to talk you through measuring the drop for your curtains and when the floors aren't even. So this typically happens on wide windows and across bifold or sliding doors, where you could be looking at a curtain track or pole between 3 and 6 metres long. So you can imagine that there may be some variation in your drop measurements on those wide widths. What we recommend you do is to take your drop measurements every sort of half metre along the width. And just see where the variation occurs. And then it is just going to come down to personal preference and just making some decisions on whether you'd rather have a bigger gap at one end or close the gap, at the shorter side. But so that really is just going to have to come down to personal preference. What we'd recommend you do is have a look along that width and just see where the variations occur. It may be that for example, on a 6 metre track, that 5 metres are all the same and then the measurement changes slightly on the last metre, in which case you may want to do all your deductions from the 5 metre drops. Alternatively, you could also consider sort of where you're going to be stacking your curtain. So for example, if you've got a single curtain stacking on the left hand side, you may want to take that drop measurement and make your deductions from there, so that the curtain doesn't touch the floor when it's open and when it's stacked back. Typically measurements can vary within a centimetre, so that is quite normal, and in that case what we'd recommend you do is work out your finished curtain drop from the shortest measurement. If your measurements vary above a centimetre, again, you are just going to have to apply that sort of personal preference, but please do get in touch if we can offer any help or advice. It's useful for us if you could send us a diagram with the sort of half metre marks on it and the drops, and then we can have a look at it and we can give you some advice and some recommendations. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with new product news and information and useful hints and tips. And thank you very much for watching.